Duck farming can be a unique and profitable business venture if properly planned and maintained with proper training. Duck farming is an important part of rural life. Raising ducks is a profitable farm activity that can be started at a relatively low cost and yields profitable results in a short time. Duck meat and eggs play an important role in fulfilling our food needs. Keeping ducks can be a source of self-employment and additional income for unemployed men and women in any country. Dear viewers, today we will know how to raise ducks. All aspects of duck farming have been discussed step by step. Ducks usually grow well in water-loving environments, so it is convenient if there is a pond, canal, or water body near the farm. Open, ventilated, and sunlight-permeable areas are best for raising ducks. To build a duck farm, it is necessary to build a house of a specific size. The house has to be built high above the ground so that the house does not get wet from rainwater. Duck houses can usually be made with straw, bamboo, tin, or brick walls. A pond or reservoir is essential for ducks because ducks enjoy swimming and playing in water, and it keeps them healthy. If there is no water source, an artificial reservoir must be made. When starting duck farming, the selection of the duck breed is very important. Khaki Campbell, Indian Runner, Pekin Duck, and Campbell Pekin Hybrid are suitable for both eggs and meat. Usually, 5 to 6 female ducks are kept with 1 male duck. Ducks reproduce naturally. However, in large farms, duck eggs are hatched with the help of artificial incubators. After collecting the eggs, they are kept in incubators. Duck eggs are usually kept in incubators for 28 days and hatched. It is essential to maintain a specific temperature of about 37.5 degrees Celsius and humidity for incubation. The first 4 weeks after hatching are considered the brooding period. During this time, a specific temperature and clean environment must be ensured for the babies. Adequate, nutritious food must be provided for ducks. Ducks' food usually includes wheat, corn, rice, soybean meal, keel, fish powder, mineral salts, and vitamins. Starter feed should be given at the age of 1 to 4 weeks, grower feed at the age of 5 to 16 weeks, and layer and finisher feed if the age is more than 16 weeks. Food should be provided at specific times every day. Excess or insufficient food can affect the health of ducks. Adequate clean water should be provided for ducks. Water bowls need to be cleaned daily. Regular vaccinations should be given. Roniquet should be given after 7 days, cholera after 14 days, and a booster dose after 4 weeks. Female ducks usually start laying eggs at the age of 5 to 6 months. A duck lays an average of 180 to 300 eggs per year, depending on the breed and management. Eggs have to be collected at a specific time every day. After collecting the eggs, they have to be stored in a clean and dry place. Eggs need to be graded and packaged for sale.